Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers, wrapping up an eventful trading day. The BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty saw a modestly upward trend, propelled by optimism surrounding US-India trade talks, despite some profit-taking in IT stocks. However, the Indian rupee depreciated against the US dollar due to escalating US tariffs. This mixed performance mirrors a cautious market, awaiting significant economic data for direction. Despite these fluctuations, India's Nifty 50 and Sensex have experienced their longest daily winning streak in over 4 months, fueled by factors such as domestic tax cuts, US rate cut expectations, and trade negotiation optimism. Yet, the rupee hit a record low due to intensified foreign outflows resulting from punitive US tariffs on Indian goods. Key sectors like oil and gas, energy, and IT saw varied performances, with the IT index falling due to Infosys' upcoming share buyback decision, while oil and gas stocks rose on brokerage commentaries. The broader small caps and mid caps traded flat. Looking ahead, Viraj Gandhi, CEO of Samco Mutual Fund, predicts a potential rally in the second half of FY26 driven by stronger earnings and consumption revival due to tax breaks. It's important to note that despite this recent rebound, the Nifty and Sensex are still down about 5% from their record highs. Indian stock indices ended the day with the Sensex and Nifty gaining 0.15% and 0.13% respectively, while the rupee dropped 0.39% against the US dollar. Government bonds saw a yield decrease as both US and Indian inflation data and Friday's debt supply approached. Overnight index swaps dipped slightly, with the 1-year rate at 5.465% and the 5-year rate at 5.685%. Markets remain buoyed by trade optimism, while yields on government bonds are declining in anticipation of inflation data. As always, stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for more updates and insights.